In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save up to 90% on TurboTax Business from Intuit. That's right, a simple and effective method to significantly cut down on your tax filing costs. We all know how important it is to manage business expenses wisely, and tax preparation can sometimes feel like a hefty expense. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, head over to the TurboTax official site. The website offers a smooth and user-friendly experience, making it easy even for those who might not consider themselves tech-savvy. When you're on the main page, you want to look at the top right corner for the sign-in button. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password, and there's an option to recover it quickly. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the TurboTax homepage. At this point, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as it's filled with various options to help you navigate through the services they offer. The goal here is to locate and utilize their referral rewards program, which is a fantastic way to earn significant discounts. On the home dashboard, you will see a menu or icons on your screen. You'll want to find the Referral Rewards section. Now, this is crucial because TurboTax offers rewarding deals when you refer their services to others, allowing you to save more. Clicking on Referral Rewards will open a new page detailing the referral program. Here's where the saving magic starts. On the Referral Rewards page, you want to look for the option that allows you to copy your unique referral link. It's often just a straightforward button that says something like Copy Link. By clicking this, you're creating an opportunity to share TurboTax's benefits with friends and colleagues while earning referral rewards that can potentially bring your costs down by as much as 90%. Using this referral link, encourage your network to consider TurboTax for their tax filing needs. Each time someone uses and benefits from your link, you gain points or rewards, which can translate into deductions on your future purchases with TurboTax. It's a win-win situation. The more you share, the more you save. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you can dramatically reduce your tax filing expenses while helping others discover a useful tool for their tax preparation needs. Thank you for following along with this guide. Remember to share this opportunity and maximize your savings with TurboTax Business from Intuit. Happy saving!